Hey, I'm happy to share this moment with you, and you might not know it yet, but deciding to meditate and actually committing to doing it regularly might be one of the best decisions in a lifetime. At least that's how I see it. It's not easy to quiet the mind, but in this series of meditations for beginners, I'll try to make it as easy as possible for you. If you haven't already, get into a comfortable position, preferably sitting upright. If you like, join me in taking 5 deep breaths with little pauses between in and exhaling. Perceive how your body feels. You might feel more calm, peaceful. Don't force yourself to experience anything particular. Enjoy this moment exactly the way it is. Meditation helps us see the beauty in everything, really. And moments like these make it easier to see exactly this beauty. Simply enjoy. Meditation can be incredibly blissful if we allow it to be, if we are open to it. I hope you've enjoyed this moment and feel free to invite this feeling of presence and peace into your daily life. I wish you all the best. Take care.